out so swift, rain won't lift, gate won't close, the railings froze. Get your mind off winter time, you ain't going nowhere. Ooh, you ride me high, tomorrow's the day my bride's gonna come. Oh Lord, are we gonna fly down in the easy chair? Howdy, 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 howdy. D minor, F, C shape. I'm at the 3rd fret because that's where I like to sing it, out of C shape. This is a song called You Ain't Goin Nowhere, written by Bob Dylan and recorded by the Byrds, and became quite popular through, both, I guess. A lot of people picked up on the Byrds version. You Ain't Goin Nowhere. Only 3 chords. A C shape, let's just call it C from the capo. D minor. Now if you're chording along with this or rolling back up, look up your D minor in your, it's really, I'll tell you, but I like people look stuff up because it sinks in better than me just spoon feeding. So 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st string. Nice, eh? And then the other chord is the F. Hopefully you've used that already. It's come up in some of my other teaching videos. So there's the F. C, D minor, F, back to C. The tab here, which I will display at the very end of the video for a while. It is, I've marked it with swing 8ths. Now, you know what swing 8ths was? It was on the Amazing Grace instructional video that I did for that one. And swing 8ths is uneven 8ths notes. So your first one is long and your second is short. So da, 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 da. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long. Instead of regular even 8ths would be, this goes long, short, long, short, long, short, long. So keep that in mind. You'll hear it enough on my performance of it. How long does it take to tune a banjo? Nobody knows. Nobody's ever done it. Okay, so it starts off with, you're going to play quite a bit with this finger on the 1st string. That's where it starts off. Now this is really the 2nd measure of the tab, is really the D minor, but I'm not using the shape I showed you earlier. This is a partial, so it's just the 3rd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string. So I'm down at the 5th fret, 2nd string to get that melody note. And then to an F. Now we're doing this all on F, but I've got to go to a C next. I've already got the 1st fret, 2nd string down because it's an F. And I'm going to a C, so I leave that one down. But now this ring finger has to come over for a C. So I've played it right there. So right about now, I got to start moving it. Keep that in mind. Otherwise, you're going to have to cut her in real short at the last note. Hammer. Pull off. this is probably the trickiest part, because you're on a C, you're going to a D minor, but you're really not using the shape, but it's against the D minor part of the song. This part here. I use thumb on second string a lot. So you've got this first fret second string, second fret first string, and you're putting a pinky down on the third fret. Why is this still here? Because I just came out of a C. That's why I'm still at the first fret second string. So those notes. The tricky part is learning how to pull off with the little finger. Just practice that for a while. You're pulling off to a first finger, or index finger on the second string first fret, so it's not a big deal. And you grab second fret third string. You form the F because you're there. Roll the F. Open up the first string. So, one hammer, one pull off. Right? Easy if you know how to do it. And you know how to do it after you practice it, and you'll know how to do it. It's a great song. It's not fast, so you've got lots of time to work this up. You don't have to work it up forever to get it fast. It's just a good sing-along song also. A lot of people know it. It's because it's a Bob Dylan Byrds song, right? And it works fine on banjo. I just want to say, if you like these videos, subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel. This is on YouTube. Just hit the old subscribe icon. That'll help me out and keep me doing these. So right after this, I'm going to show you the tab for about 8 seconds or so. So take a screenshot of the tab, and then print it off if you can, and then you'll have it. And if there's any questions about fingering, just put it in the comments of the YouTube, and I'll get back to you if you have any questions about. There's one of my subscribers asked about putting which fingers to use. He sometimes gets mixed up what fingers to use. And the general rule is, if it's all eighth notes, don't use the same finger twice in a row. Always alternate thumb, index, middle, wherever the string is next. But don't use the same finger twice in a row with 8 notes. Right? But again, if you, on quarter notes, it doesn't matter. You've got time then. Say you end up with a quarter note with the index finger, and the next notes, our 8th notes, start rolling. You can use the index again to start those rolling. That's a quarter note, 8th notes. So after a quarter note, you can use the same finger or a thumb again. Okay. Have a great time. We'll see you again. Oh.